Yeah, time look beautifully there, just so pretty, guys. You see me? Drop a bomb, no people, you know, say your boy Chizamki again now with another video, you see me, part 2, for the one before this, you see me? The one before this, the video got river, yeah? So this is a part 2, you see me? And I want to go this time, we're going to see what can go on today again, you see me? Because, you know, I have to go and master a gun, yeah? Because I just get used to it, you see me? First time I start firing type of fish gun, you see me? So, go and stay tuned and enjoy the video. And people, don't try this at home, you see me? I want to go up on the river today. When I go river, I always bring a friend to ensure your safety, you see me? Out. Yeah, pretty man style. Jaja. Put them on. Water clean. So yeah guys, we reach on the river here now, you see me? So I go on and pack a nail like something there. Take out the camera and them thing there, you see me? So just go and watch how I go and you see it. You see the clip in the water very pretty today. So we are sure we can find in it. You see me? So now just go and stay tuned and enjoy the video. Yeah. You alone on the riverside. See me? Anything go? Got glass. Camera set. Like a boom box with daily vibes, you know? I have my little waterproof phone case, you see it? So I don't know anything go. Oh, can't forget this, you know. Vape. Never left my vape, you see me? Always a vibe. Always a vibe with this. Beautifully, they're just so pretty, guys. You see me? They're just so pretty. When you're there by yourself more while it's nice still, you know. You sit down with the nature, mother nature. And you just enjoy yourself, you see me? Nobody around you for pest you, nobody around you for nag you, you know? There's all a peaceful energy on the riverside by yourself, you see it? So you go more while, man. Try man get to master that spear gun. Eh? So here we got our camera. Yeah. Other things in our bag, you know, guys, but you know, we not really use them there. So now I'm going to set up the camera, so I'm going to stay tuned. Yeah guys, come out of water now. I say, I dive till I blue. I can't find nothing in the water and then little fish there in the water and I shoot. Come like in a workout star. Always not like some I have to catch one. It's just that me I dive and I try to catch my practice as me for shoot. So that me I do come on and start dive I see and them place there, you know. So I practice me not catch, but boy, the river fish are fast man and then I keep stealing up and down like all about. You see me? So I'm just go down back down I blue go take some swim and show me so nice view under the water and them thing there, you know. So go and stay tuned. So yeah, I'm going to head up here now guys, you see me? Maybe when my cousin then come this evening, we come down here back and go down at one different blue hole where we did go from yesterday, but we never go because time to catch up our way. You see me so? Just go and stay tuned. You see me? If not, we'll close out the video, so if they don't come home early enough so we can touch down the river, you see me?